While the haze problem in Malaysia has improved today with fewer
Smoke billows from the fields of northern India. What's convenient for the farmers is wreaking.
Industrial operators.
The claims saying forest fires had also a problem during the dry season.
Air pollution can be defined as contaminated of indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical, or biological agent that modifies the natural characteristic of the atmosphere. About 100 companies have created 71% of gases emission more than other causes. Air pollution can be harmful to human, animal, and plant health because it contains chemical particulate like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and others. In air pollution that have two types, which is natural and created by human activities. For example, natural air pollution are from volcanic eruptions, wildfire, sea salt, and others. While the most air pollution comes from is from the human activity like agriculture, industry, vehicle, and others.
One factor of the air pollution is this one. This is what we call forestry fire. This is because the El Nino coming in Malaysia, because El Nino is the temperature in Malaysia is too hot until the leaf and the dry leaf feel so dry and something like can come out with but sometimes it feel hurt when I see this moment, because I feel like our environment is not truly clean enough. So however, as human being, we are also can reduce our air pollution. That we have many things that reduce our air pollution, so they can counter this El Nino what we unexpected. So yeah.
This video is about the harm air pollution does to people.
Would you rather breathe in this or this? You can see some air pollutants like smog that comes from power plants, cars, and trucks, and anything that burns fossil fuels. There are other air pollutants like soot and mercury that aren't always visible to the naked eye. Whether you can see it or not, air pollution is bad for our health and the environment.
So, solving air pollution is an important task to protect public health and improve environmental quality. Reducing emissions from industry and transportation is one of the key measures to mitigate air pollution. The government can encourage industrial enterprises to adopt cleaner and more efficient production technologies and equipment to reduce pollutant emissions by promoting regulations and policies. The government can also encourage the use of clean energy to replace highly polluting energy sources, such as increasing support for renewable energy sources, and such as solar energy, wind energy, and gradually reducing reliance on traditional highly polluting energy sources, such as coal burning. At the same time, we will promote the proliferations of electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles, reduce vehicles' exhaust emissions, encourage the development of clear exhaust and vehicles technologies, and reduce traffic pollution. Secondly, controlling coal and biomass burning is also one of the important measures to reduce air pollution. The government can formulate policies to encourage and support the use of clean energy instead of coal, such as solar energy, wind energy, water energy, and other renewable energy sources to reduce air pollution caused by coal burning. We should set up the process of clean power, gradually phase out coal and highly polluting thermal power plants, promote the transformation of the power system to clean energy, and reduce the impact of coal-fired power and generation on air quality. We should also strengthen the management of coal mines, strictly control dust pollution during coal mining and transportation, and adopt reasonable mining and greening measures to reduce the impact of coal mines on air quality. Then, improving urban planning and construction is an important measure to reduce air pollution and improve residents' quality of life. Through scientific planning and layout of the city, ration development of urban function areas, reducing the contact between industrial pollution sources and residential areas and common areas, and reducing the risk of residents being exposed to pollutants, increasing urban green places, parks and green belts, plant trees and glass, absorb pollutions in the atmosphere, improve air quality, and provide people with places for leisure and entertainment. We should also build bicycle lanes and pedestrian streets to encourage people to walk and cycle, reduce the use of motor vehicles, and reduce traffic congestion. At the same time, it can promote the construction of smart cities, use information technology and entertainment means to optimize urban management and service, improve urban operate efficiency, and reduce resource optimize and environmental pollution. On this basis, the government can formulate more stringent air pollution control laws, regulations, and standards, including emission standards for various pollution sources, pollutant limits, to ensure that air quality meets standards, intensify the investigation and punishment of air pollution violation, and impose penalties on companies and individuals that violate air pollution control laws and standards, including finance, suspension of production, and other measures. The government should strengthen collaboration and cooperation between the Environmental Protection Department and other relevant departments, form a joint prevention and control mechanism, implementation of policies and regulations, strengthen the openness and transparency of air quality and pollution source emission data, and provide the public with timely and accurate environmental information to enhance public supervision and participation capabilities. Finally, raising public awareness is a key part of solving the problem of air pollution. We should organize various forms of public and education activities, such as holding lectures, exhibitions, community activities, to popularize the hazards and impacts of air pollution to the public and improve everyone's awareness to environmental protection. Use media platforms such as television, radio, and the internet to broadcast promotional videos, special programs, Weibo and WeChat, relevant knowledge and solution to air pollution problems to the public. These measures require the joint efforts of government, business, citizens, and the international community to effectively improve air quality and protect public health.
Bisa tahu apa nama Cik? Nama saya Amira. Dipanggil Mira je. Cik Amira sekarang ni ada kenderaan sendiri tak? Saya tak ada kenderaan sendiri. Datang kerja jalan kaki je sebab daripada rumah ke tempat kerja tak makan masa dalam 2 minit.
Ini kita dekat Kelantan. So, daerah Tanah Merah. So, apa yang saya tengok, kat Tanah Merah ni mostly diorang guna kenderaan sendiri. Saya tanya kenapa diorang guna kenderaan sendiri? Kenapa diorang tak guna public transport?
Jawapan untuk soalan tu, dekat Tanah Merah ni masyarakat kat sini terpaksa guna kenderaan sendiri sebab kat sini tak ada pengangkut awam. So terpaksa lah guna kenderaan sendiri untuk pergi kerja ke, untuk pergi ke mana-mana tempat.
Soalan terakhir kepada Encik Amar, macam mana kita nak selesaikan masalah pencemaran peningkatan kenderaan tersebut dan tingkat kurangkan pencemaran udara?
Antara cara untuk mengurangkan pencemaran udara adalah berkongsi kenderaan. Saya rasa tak perlu kot pergi kerja naik seorang satu kenderaan. Kalau boleh kongsi, share lah. Satu kenderaan tu dalam 4 orang ke 3 orang ke, minimum 2 orang lah. So pencemaran udara ni akan berkurang lah.
Saya kira pada saya terima kasih kerana langsung.
Hi, excuse me, Cik Najib.
Sure.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Are you driving every day?
Yeah, I'm driving a car every day.
Did you aware about our air pollution index within Klang Valley?
Yes. I'm pretty sure I know about it, but I don't have the exact number. But yeah, maybe I can share something with you.
How do you feel about our air pollution index comparing during MCO and nowadays?
Yes. Comparing during the MCO, nowadays I think yes, there's a huge difference between these 2 years. Because I think during the MCO everyone is just staying inside the house and very few of them movement of the traffic between state. So I can say the index also looks very low because I read the article, the report from the Ministry of Transport showing that there's about 14 to 15% improvement of the level of the good index of the air pollution. Yes, we categorize based on the content of the nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and also the small particle inside, around 5 micron, 2.5 micron. Within the Klang Valley itself, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the report showing that there's the numbers of the increasing of about 25 to 27 of the SO2. I think NO2 is the highest. It's about 70%, if I'm not mistaken.
About quite high.
Yes. CO2 is around 45-50%. And for the particle, yes, about, especially I think 2.5. PM2 2.5, it's about 29%. That's the figure. So actually for this figure, the research report, they calculate based on the numbers of the vehicle. In 2020, the total number of vehicles in Malaysia is around 32 million. So quite high compared to the 2019. The numbers just decreased about 3.7%. For the air traffic, yes, I believe it's quite number decreasing. The Malaysia is around 60 to 61%. We are aware that in 2020 itself, numbers of fly is around 370,000 tree di Peninsula and Sabah semua.
Yeah, it's all.
Yes. So anything else?
No, I don't have. That's it. Thank you, Cik Najib.
Welcome.
What do you think the factor that contribute to air pollution?
Well, for me actually, I think the cause that can lead to this air pollution is actually lack of knowledge, because it depends on yourself and also your surroundings on how to control the air pollution. Like if I can give you example, like if you're using the vehicles, it is recommended for you to use the electric one, so you can reduce gases released when you drive. Also, if you're using the appliance at home that release gases like CFC, which is heavily contribute to the air pollution if using the aircon, right? So I think the more knowledge you have about that thing, it may help you to reduce the air pollution.
Thank you. What do you think the best way to help reduce the air pollution?
I think the best way, instead of increasing your knowledge about this air pollution, the thing that you can do is to improvise yourself. What I mean by that is that you're trying to help by contributing by yourself, by using, like I'm saying, the electric car just now, using things that don't release gases, and also there are many other ways actually you can do to reduce it. But I think it's better if you start it from yourself, so that you will help the surrounding to see what you're doing is helping the world, helping to reduce the air pollution.
Okay, I see. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
So, from this project, we can conclude that there are many factors contribute to the air pollution, which is negatively affecting our Earth. So, I urge all of us together, we can help to improvise the health of our Earth. Thank you.